Alright guys, I'm in a bank here and found a tempered window that this is why you have to be careful with your scrapers. So I'm going to turn the camera here, and if you can hear, listen to it very carefully. Hear that? That is going to scratch. You can hear that sandpaper. Let's see if this is the same way. It's a little bit, not too much difference, but I still wouldn't try that one. Let's try some different windows here. Oh, here's one that's good, see? Let me get this one you can use. So, listen real closely. Hear nothing. Go back to here again. See that? That's that scratching sound. You have to be very careful. So if you do that listening test, you can use these on most of your windows, but you have to be very careful. Check it out later. Bye.